Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I'm going to get to it. So this is a wee cafe scene, outside a cafe which I really want to go to now. So this is a new topic. As I've said previously, I've only just started it this week. Previously I was doing portraits and as well as bodies, but it predominantly become just portraits of faces at different angles. And my husband actually said, well, if you want to gain more skills and gain them quickly, then maybe go and do a different topic, hence landscapes and street scenes, cafe scenes, country scenes, things like that. So, so I've heavily used geometric and gestural, and it's from a 2-point perspective, which that's been the thing with the research that I found was 2-point perspective for landscape scenes. The first one, the angle was completely wrong, and it made everything else feel off. The second one, I tried to get the proportions and the perspective correct, but I knew that I had to then try again because it still wasn't quite right. And the third one, it was starting to get there, but obviously the chairs, I've not really ever drawn a chair before, so the chair and the table still needs a lot of work. But like the portraits, I know I can get there, and it's only been a couple of days and I'm already seeing an improvement, which if somebody's just coming across this video and thinking this is an improvement, it is. It's a completely different topic that I've drawn in about 20 years. So yeah, let me know what you think, and I shall get back to you. Thanks, guys.